Once you have logged in into a management reporting tool, you will land on the dashboard. Once you are here, if you want to upload a work plan, just go on the work plan, and then you need to go right upper. You click there, then you add the work plan. Work plan title, for instance, if I add my work plan here, Q3, which is quarter 3, ICT department. So if I add my work plan, then I need to give the status active. Then if my work plan is in text form, just typed text, you can paste or just type here what you want to add as a work plan, then save it. But if you load as a document, just go on the upload, you go where the document is and upload it. After uploading, then you save it. Then the work plan will be saved as active. Make sure always mark it as active. It is if it is in the early or beginning of the month. But if you want to close that work plan, for instance, if this is saved on the 1st May, then you go back on the 30th May, back to your work plan, then you go to edit, then you mark it as complete. If it is completed, you mark it as in progress if it is still in progress, and the same with the rest. So after that, then you go down and save it. So mean that you have saved it. So if you want to add the extra description, you can add them. So after saving it, then you are done. You add again for the following month. That is how the work plans are uploaded and saved. So we have again task board. Task board is where you post your daily activities. So daily activities, what we do is, for instance, if you go here is a task board. We need to add the roadmap. Roadmap is what you do on which period. So for instance, if you click here, then you click here, then you can for instance, you can add marketing. Maybe this is my roadmap, what I'll be doing for that month. For instance, I have marketing for this month. So April marketing, maybe AfriPads marketing. For instance, if I add AfriPads marketing, then I add little description if there are any. But this, remember, this is not a task. This is a roadmap, like a period. Yeah. So April 2026, just to be specific. You can do as you wish. You can just put April, or you can put marketing Q3, that is quarter 3, any format that can be understandable by the management. So you can add this description. Then here you can add progress. For instance, we have to do, in progress, and done. You can add, if you want it to be saying, okay, what my task should be also in a review, you can add review. My task should be also in pending, you can add pending. Always put comma, then you click create. So I've added this roadmap April 2026 AfriPad marketing. So you can add, then from there you start adding my tasks. Those tasks are under this roadmap. So once you change the roadmap marketing Q3, then you add your tasks, meaning that these tasks are attached to that roadmap. They are not on April. So each roadmap has tasks, activities. So here are progress, to do, in progress, review, and pending, and then done. Then you can add the task the way I've added. You add the title. You can add that roadmap has tasks. Those tasks are segmented. For instance, you can add task like under the marketing for AfriPads. Maybe you can, for me, I can add Unima marketing, like my first segment for my marketing. This to do, or you can put is in progress. The priority, you select whether it's high, medium. Then you can put date if you want, is optional. Then you need to assign who you are reporting to. Just add their email. So for instance, I add Trina email because she is our COO. So I can add Edunite2serve.org. Mean that the trainer in her dashboard, she'll be able to see the task for you. So you can add a little description if there are any, then you save it. This is my task that is in progress. So this task is also trackable. Trackable means that it's in progress. Then within the week or end of the week or next week, you can move it to review or pending, or if it is done, just throw it in the done. Then you go again on the to do. You can add another task. You can add as many as possible. So you'll be just dragging done like that until they are done. So we hope every task, the ending goal has to be done. So all of them, they will have to go to done. So coming to another month or another quarter, depending on how you are reporting, you can add another um, roadmap. So that's how tasks are done and tracked. So the task can be viewed as a table, can be viewed as a calendar or as a gallery. So again, you go on the dashboard. So there are three things that are very vital. So the first thing is task board. Task board where you work with your tasks. The second thing is the work plans. Work plans is what I've already said. So the third thing is notifications. Always they pop up here. Notifications. So to track what is happening in the organization, so you can see what is posted there. So you can check. So I have privilege to see the team members whatsoever because I'm an admin. But if you are not an admin, you only see what you're supposed to see. So these are notifications. You're able to see them. So you can track what is happening there. So this is what you are supposed to do as normal users in the system. So this is it. This Yeah, that's it. So you can add success stories if you have them. Success stories, you can add critical needs there. Just upload a file, or you can post some images there if you want to add them. Just click add, then you can upload your files, write a little story, and then the project where it's supposed to be. So the beneficiaries, you don't need to you can add the beneficiary, by the way. You can add your story, then impact, then save it. The same way with the critical needs. So however, the critical needs can be also added as in your work planning, depending if you want to use the templates. So in work planning, lastly is that you can use samples, which are samples, the formats. They can, if you don't have any format, so they give you format of how you can structure your work plan. So you can use a PDF or Excel. So this is what is supposed to be done. For, remember, three tasks that are supposed to be tackled each and every week or each and every month. So the tasks, the work plans, and the daily notifications. Then the last thing that maybe I can emphasize is you can customize your profile by going up left on the dashboard. You edit it. Then there, what you're supposed to do is just to edit your personal data so that the system should recognize you, that you are so like that. So if I add my data here, so you can add the image, which is profile image. That's optional at your wish. So you can edit your profile. Once you fill it, you fill your gaps, then make sure, remember to select the department so that you are categorized to that department. So you can put physical address as Domba. The bio is not necessary, you save it. Then you go on dashboard. Dashboard will also be welcoming you by your name, like welcome John. The department will have been indicated once you have edited your profile. So if you have not been, your profile has not been edited, you will not be seen for that department. So this is what you are supposed to do. So inside system messaging is possible. You can write a title, uh, like demo, but these are not necessary. These are at your wish, as you wish. You can send it to all users, or you can send to a specified department. So for instance, I can test send to my virtual learning community department by sending this image. This image, this email, this message will go direct to that department. So this is what I had to demonstrate. Thank you so much.